Are you having the drive in your life which can take you to achieve your goal, your objective, or your dream life? If not, then don't worry, I will help you. Hi, my name is Naresh Kumar and I'm your personal coach, trainer, and mentor. Today, I will help you with a mindset. Now, what is mindset? And specifically, growth mindset. Now, you may have heard about it many places, in seminars, in TV, in various places. Now, this mindset, what it is, you need to know first of all. The mindsets are basically the set of belief, those belief through which have been instructing you to act in a particular situations. For example, waking up in the morning is a set of belief you think. It's a set of beliefs which make you work. Now, if you believe that waking up in the morning is beneficial for your life, beneficial for your health, you'll wake up at that time, at 5 o'clock, 4 o'clock in the early morning. You'll wake up. And if you believe that no, it doesn't necessary, then you'll wake up late, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, or 8 o'clock, or maybe 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. It depends. Now, it depends upon the set of belief. If you're thinking that success is important to you, that is your set of belief. And if you believe, then you'll work accordingly. You'll work hard. Now, these are the set of beliefs, and we say this mindset. Now, mindset can be various kind of. One is the average mindset, other one is the growth mindset. Now, which one is required to you? Obviously, the growth mindset. If you're having this growth mindset, you don't worry, your half work is done. Now, how this is possible that half work is done? Obviously, if you have the growth mindset, it will drive you to work hard, to act how it is necessary. For example, discipline is important for your achievement of to do anything good in life. Now, if you have this belief, then you'll work accordingly, and if you're not having, then you'll remain where you are. So, isn't it a very interesting thing? If you're having this kind of mindset, then definitely you'll move ahead. Otherwise, not. Now, how to develop this growth mindset? This I will talk in the another video, but now let me tell you how it is important for your life. Now, this growth mindset will take you where you want to where you want to go in your life. Suppose if you have dreamed of having a very rich and luxurious life, then definitely you can do it. And for that, you don't worry if you don't have money, no problem. If you have no money, if you don't have any kind of investment, if your background is not good, you belong from a middle class, don't worry. If you have this mindset, rest everything will fall in its place. But first thing is that you need to have this kind of mindset. Now, don't think that you are already having. One or two beliefs is not going to help you. You need to have a set of beliefs which is very vital, which can drive you to take you there. And that is called growth mindset. We cannot set the previous mindset as a growth mindset. Growth mindset is kind of different thing which will take you there. These are totally a set of beliefs. In all the sectors of your life, you have to change it. And until and unless you change it, you'll not get that mindset. And that mindset will take you there. One of the great leaders once have said that 80% you need the mindset, and the 20% only required your skills. If you're having 20% skills, rest assured will be done by the growth mindset. Your mindset will take you there. So that's all you need to do. Just develop a growth mindset, and it will very sooner or later you'll achieve your dream, your life, your luxurious life, or whatever you have dreamed in your life. So thank you so much for this. I'll come again in next video with how you can develop your growth mindset. Signing.